What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? So, wow, 2021 year has flown by. And you know what they say, as you get older, the years just keep rolling and rolling a lot faster than they did when you were a kid. And this is definitely true. So I'm out here on a Sunday afternoon in November. It was supposed to be close to the mid-50s. Feels a little colder than that, I guess, because it is like overcast and there is no sun whatsoever. So that's probably the reason why it doesn't feel as warm as it should be, but it's all good. I'm getting out to ride. That's what matters. So 2021, like I said, it's almost over. And I mean, has it really been all that much better than 2020? Yes, I can say it has. I have been to events, I've been to concerts, I've been to sporting events. So, versus 2020, that was awesome. As for the world, I'm not exactly sure if it's a better place or not, but we're not going to talk about that. What I do want to talk about is the change is going to be coming up in the Goofy Bastard household come 2022. So my son, my only child, recently, well, not so much recently, in the last month or so, month or two maybe, made us aware that he was looking to move out and move in with his fiance, which is awesome. He's a full-grown man. He's a 25-year-old. That's what he should be doing at this point in his life. He should be moving out, moving on, and moving up in the world. So he is signing a lease on a townhouse for him and his fiance at the end of December, and starting in 2022 he will no longer be living at my residence. And while I am totally happy for him, I do have mixed feelings about it. He's my son, he's my only child. So I just want to talk about that real quick. So in all honesty, I don't see my son a whole lot because of my work schedule, because of his work schedule. During the week, in all honesty, I might see him for 10 or 15 minutes if I get home early enough, you know, in the morning or that. So I really don't spend a whole lot of time with my son, which I kind of, you know, not happy about, but I mean, it's life. It's the way life is. So, and on the weekends, he spends the majority of his time with his fiance, so I don't see him a whole lot on the weekends. You know, I'll see him a little bit here and there. So, that being said, the fact that he's really not home that much, damn, hitting that rumble strip. The fact that he's really not, or the fact that I don't see him that much, does not change the fact that I am going to miss him when he's gone. And I'm not going to get sappy. I'm not going to get none of that shit. But I will miss him. I will miss the little bit of conversation him and I have when we are together. It is going to be odd that he is not under my roof anymore. The knowledge, knowing that he's home and safe, is a lot. I mean, I may not be there and whatever, but the fact that I know he's home safe in my house, under my roof, yeah, it does mean something, and that is going to change coming up here in the future. And like I said, it kind of sucks, but he is a grown man. He's going to move out. He's going to move on. And of course, being the great parent that I am, told him that once he moves out, don't expect to ever move back in, because oh, come on, Light, really? Because I'm turning his room into my studio. That's going to be my new YouTube studio. So once he moves out and I get that set up, guys, if y'all want to invite me on a live stream or something, feel free, because I'll have a place to do it at. Is this light gonna not turn on for me again? So, oh no, I got somebody gonna turn left too, so maybe. So yes, so his room will be occupied with my computer and a desk, so there won't be room for him to come back. But he keeps on telling me that, you know, it's going to be his room. It's his room until he dies. Well, or until I sell the house. And yeah, not so much. That's not really the case, unless he's going to pay rent for that room when he leaves, which he's not. So yeah, I just really wanted to talk about that for a minute. It's gonna be an adjustment at my house, and while my wife won't admit it, because for whatever reason they butt heads a lot, while my wife won't admit it, she will cry and she will miss him when he's gone. She's gonna kill me when she sees this, but oh well. So yeah, 2022, that's the way 2022 is shaping up for me, for my household. So we'll have the empty nest syndrome going on there. So if you are somebody who has experienced empty nest, let me know how that worked out for you. You know, if it was a good thing, bad thing, if you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, leave a comment down below to let me know how you handled kids moving out. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. So until next time, my friends, stay safe and love one another, and love your children whether they live with you or not. Peace.